this video, I have brought you a small flashlight that looks very similar to the one in the first video. So it's also the same for the battery inside. Let's take it apart now. You can see that this flashlight uses the common AAA alkaline battery. So let's try replacing it with a secondary rechargeable lithium battery produced by PNAS to see if it can still function properly. Can be used normally. This rechargeable lithium battery also has a Type-C charging port, which not only allows it to be charged in a charger, but can also be directly charged by using our phone charging cable, perfectly replacing the disposable alkaline batteries. Follow me, let's take apart more battery-related products.